Hi guys, welcome to MAO-MAODARIN. I'm Mao. The consonants I'm going to teach in today's video are they're palatal sounds and are articulated with the body of the tongue raised against the hard palate. They're voiceless sounds but are taught as voiced ji, qi, xi in Chinese school textbooks. I posted written in this previous video. You can check this out if you're interested. Now let's get started. First one. The similar English phonetic sound is sh. I know they both sound the same, right? But if you listen to it more carefully and take a closer look at the lips and tongue positions, you'll find the differences. Now let's watch it again. Alright, what do you think? First, they are both voiceless sounds. That's the same. And then let's look at the lips. When pronouncing the English sh, you push the lips a bit away from the face, while producing the pinyin sh. Instead of pushing the lips out, you need to spread them wide, like this. Less teeth are exposed compared to sh. As for the tongue, producing both sounds requires you to raise the middle part of your tongue towards the hard palate with a small gap in between to release the airstream. Seems like similar, but the sides and tip positions of your tongue are quite different. Pinyin is pronounced with the tip of tongue placed behind your lower front teeth. I mean it's touching the bottom of your teeth, which is closed, but the sides of your tongue should not be touching your inner teeth. For the English sh, your tongue tip is also pointing down, but it is pulled back a bit to avoid touching anything in the mouth. However, the sides of your tongue is pressed against the inner corner of the top teeth, right? Feel it. Shh. It's not hard, right? We can form sh based on shh. They're both fricative sounds, means the sounds can be stretched like this. Shh. Hold it out. Shh. And now relax your lips. Shh. And widen them a bit. And now place the tip of your tongue against the bottom of your lower front teeth, like this. Finally, make sure the sides of your tongue are not touching the inner upper teeth. You got it. Now let's practice it with the word 小, yao, with the third tone. Yao, 小. 小 means small. 小. Alright, now let's move on to the second one. And the corresponding English phonetic sound is
j.
As you can see, they are quite different. When you pronounce
j,
your tongue is sort of flapping a lot compared to which kind of keeps a fixed position. The way to pronounce is very similar to The only difference is that this time you need to arch the middle part of your tongue slightly against the hard palate and release an airstream through your mouth. Let the airstream break the obstruction formed by your tongue and the roof of your mouth to create a stop sound, followed by the same fricative sound. This merged sound is called affrict. I would suggest to form the sound based on the pinyin, like what I discussed before, instead of
j.
It's also an affrict merged by the stop
The.
and the fricative. That's why you can see the tongue is so busy. Plus, and are both voiceless consonants, while
j,
is a voice sound. So don't mistake for
j.
Now let's apply it into a word. Yao. The same vowel with the same third tone. Yao. Yao. Jiao. Jiao. Jiao means foot or feet, either singular or plural. Jiao. Jiao. Make sure you don't voice it out. not jiao. Now the last one is and the corresponding English phonetic sound is the differences between them are just the same as and except they are both unvoiced sounds. But I will suggest you to forget about the key to pronounce this sound is to simply aspirate the sound. The relationship between and is just like and as we discussed in the previous videos. Is the aspirated version of. So as long as you enhance the exhale through your mouth when pronouncing, you'll get. Let's learn the last word for today. Plus the second tone. Yao, yao, qiao, qiao, qiao means bridge. Qiao, qiao. Make sure don't move your tongue too much. Your tongue tip should be pointing down the whole time. Qiao, qiao, qiao. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye.